Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be what I eat in a day, and I am trying to lose weight. I go to the gym quite a lot, not loads and loads, but as much as I can, and I just thought I'd show you what I eat in a day. So Issa's just about to have an apple. Are you gonna eat your apple? This is what I'm having. So I'm going to have some Greek yogurt with some granola. I found this granola in Asda and it seems healthier than the rest of them, so I thought I'd pick that up. I want to make my own granola, but I need to do some proper research on a good recipe or whatever. So if you have any good recipes for granola, let me know in the comments and I'll try and make it. But yeah, I'm going to use some honey and also banana as well. So I'm going to put all of that into a bowl. So that is going to be my breakfast. It is currently 10:10 right now, and all I've had today is 2 glasses of water. I had one as soon as I woke up, and then I just had one just before I turned the camera on. Also had a coffee with a bit of milk because I just can't function without coffee in the morning, so that is what I had. I'm going to eat this now. Enjoy it. So it's about 20 minutes later and Issa took a bite out of a pear. What's wrong? You want your pear? No. And now he's refusing to have his pear, so I'm going to eat the pear, which is alright. Don't normally eat this close together. It's past now. But it's okay because it counts towards my 5 a day, so I'm not complaining, and I love pears, so. So it is a little bit later, it's 2 o'clock now, and I'm not actually hungry. I'm so stuffed from my breakfast. I'm just preparing my dinner, and today I'm making 2 different types of salsa because it's just an easy way to get your 5 a day in, and it's healthy. It goes so nice with food, any type of food. So I thought I'd show you how to make them. But I've already prepped all the veg and stuff to go in the fruit and the veg, whatever. But I've prepped it all already, so I don't have to do any like montages of music over it and things like that. So I'm going to show you exactly what I put in my salsa. This salsa is going to be a pear and pomegranate one. So I've got pear, 1 big pear chopped up, and then I have a pomegranate, but this looks like a lot less than there normally is, and they're like bigger pomegranate pieces, like they just look different than normal, and they're not very like tart, they're quite sweet. So this is going to be a really nice salsa. So all I do is peel the pomegranate, take all the bits out. This is the longest bit ever. And then I put in my pear. And then my onion. This is 1/4 of an onion. I don't really like onion too much, so I cut it quite small. And yeah, I'm just going to add all of that. And then I've also got coriander, which I've chopped up as finely as I can, and I'm going to put in a big pinch of that, and then I can add more if I need to after. And then I'm also going to add half a lemon. Normally you'd use lime for this, but I don't have any lime, so lemon is going to have to do. So I'm just going to add all of the juice from this into here too. And then I'm going to add some pink Himalayan salt. You don't have to use this one, you can just use normal salt, but I bought it the other day and I love it, so I'm going to use this. So I'm going to just put about half a teaspoon, less than half a teaspoon. And then obviously you can add more, but you can't take it away, so add less to begin with. And then give it a good mix. I just tasted tasted it and I feel like it needs a bit more lemon. So I went to look for a lemon and I found a lime, which is great. So I'm going to put this into my salsa now. The salsa is all done. It tastes great. I added half a lime, so half of a lemon and half a lime. So you might want to add one whole lemon or one whole lime and then just add more if you need to. But yes, that is all done. It tastes amazing. I could literally just eat this whole bowl just as a snack or as dinner. I would do that. But anyway, that one is all done. Let's move on to the mango one. So I've just prepared all the ingredients for my mango salsa. So I need mangoes, coriander, lime, onion, red pepper and salt. So I've got half a red pepper which I chopped into really small pieces, and I'm going to add that into my mango which I also chopped into small pieces but not tiny pieces because I do like chunky mangoes. So I'm going to chuck all of that into there. And then I'm going to put in my onions, so all of those, which is about 1/3 of an onion. And then I'm going to put some coriander in. I don't want it to go all over my hand, so I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. A bit less than 2 really. And then I'm going to put in my lime, which I put in the microwave for a few seconds so it's easier to squeeze. And then I'm going to put in some salt and give it a good stir so everything is all mixed together nicely. It smells so good. Red pepper and lime, oh so good. I feel like it could be slightly more sour, so I'm going to use another lemon, half a lemon. So the great thing about this recipe is you can add as much of like mango or peppers, onions, as much as you like. Also you can add jalapenos to this, you're supposed to I think, but I don't because I like to have my salsas not spicy so that it's like it cools the food down if the food's spicy. But I'm not a fan of like spicy food, so I don't add jalapenos to anything. But yeah, so these recipes are so good for just having on the side of anything. As I said, they're like a good way to have your 5 a day without being bored of just eating like fruits and broccoli. But yeah, but this is what they look like. So this is the mango one obviously, and then this is the pear and pomegranate one. I can't tell you which one's my favorite because I love both of them, so please definitely try both of these recipes. You will not regret it, I promise you. So flipping great. Okay, so now I've got to clean all of this. I made sandwiches while I was doing this. The kids had some crisps emptied onto their plates. But I've got to tidy up this mess now. With these salsas, all I do is just cling film them and then stick them in the fridge and have them whenever I'm having dinner. So for dinner, my dad's watching me vlog. Say hello to my vlog pups.
Hello, Clark.
Anyway, so Pops is here eating with us today, and I am having some rice with Brazilian chicken, and then we're gonna have some of this on the side as well, and then I'm just gonna have water with it. I'll show you what my plate looks like in a minute. That is what I'm going to be eating. Yeah. So that was my dinner. It was so good, so delicious. If you want to try that recipe, then go to my video a few days ago. It's called Brazilian chicken curry recipe or something like that. But try that recipe because it is amazing. So right now, this is the last thing I'm gonna have of the day, and obviously a glass of water because I always drink water. I'm gonna have a nice cup of tea, no sugar, just some whole milk, and that is it. So then I was watching Netflix and I wasn't planning to have this, but it just happened, so I wanted something sweet, so I made myself it's basically like a little mug cake, but it's smaller and in a little bowl instead. The recipe wasn't that good, so I'm not actually going to share it because honestly there's better ones that you can make. But I changed the recipe to put Nutella in the middle and I literally just folded it all over, which you'll see in a sec. And yeah, but it wasn't the best. I think I burnt it a little bit, to be honest. So it is the next day now, guys, and I thought I would show you what I eat today too. So it's like a 2-day what I eat in a day, because obviously every day is completely different. I have no idea what I'm going to be eating today apart from what I'm going to be having for breakfast. It is 9:15 right now, so I'm going to eat something because my tummy is hungry. This is what I've made. I actually prepared this in probably one of my previous vlogs. But this is my breakfast today, and I've just heated it up and put some egg and cheese and a bit of coriander on, and that is going to be my delicious breakfast, which I cannot wait to eat because this is like my favourite thing to have right now. So good, so many veggies in it, and yes, so healthy. Very unprepared, and I didn't put my bagel in, which is what I normally have with this. So I'm going to put my bagel in the toaster for a few minutes. And with it, of course, I have to have my orange juice, and I've also got a glass of water, which I've already put on the breakfast bar, but I'm going to eat my breakfast. So I literally just heated up my bagel for about less than a minute, just so it's nice and crispy on the outside, but still soft, because it hurts my gums if it's too hard. So yeah, this is what my breakfast looks like. So I've got my orange juice, my water, bagel, all of my delicious vegetables, and then my egg with the cheese on it. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. So I think I say I can't wait to eat everything, but that's because I actually can't wait to eat everything. Because I love food, but I try not to eat too much. And the taste of all the vegetables is so good too. I love it. So it is now 1:20 and I've just got back from the gym, and I'm going to be having one of these. I'm going to eat this. So it is kitchen time. Isa is eating some snacks right here. Elisa, you okay? Don't go close. Me and Elisa have just made this hot chocolate. Basically, we had not much Nutella left, so I put some milk in here and then we put it in the microwave. Is it delicious? Hot? Be careful, let it cool down a bit. But we basically put some milk in here and then microwaved it, but then it wasn't chocolatey enough because I don't think there was enough Nutella left. So I added some of this, and it is so delicious, isn't it? You're burning your tongue, you be careful, okay? So we're sharing this, and yeah, that's our little snack in the day. I'm also eating a few of these little bits. I basically snack on all the kids' snacks, but I have like 2 or 3 of them. Elisa's got these, and I've had a few of these as well, haven't I? Can I have another one? Thank you. You're so kind. Ew. This is going to be our dinner. I have got a chicken which is frozen. Can you pass me that, please? Oh, gross. I've got a frozen chicken which I have defrosted slightly so the top of it is nice and juicy. So what I'm going to do is put spices on top of this, and then I've got a lemon, some onion, and then under there is chicken stock. So that is going to cook in the pressure cooker. Ah, don't touch it. Yucky. Over here, I've got some spices that I mixed up. This is literally just like my usual spices that I use for curries and things like that. It's cumin, coriander, turmeric, garlic and ginger paste, and just random bits and pieces. But yeah, I'm just gonna rub that on there slightly, not crazy. Hey, be careful, baby. And then that is gonna cook in there now. Over here we have some potatoes boiling. They're just gonna cook until they're slightly done, and then I'm gonna stick them in the oven. Also, I need to do some sweet potatoes, which I completely forgot about. So the potatoes, sweet potatoes, and there's normal potatoes. The kids are gonna have normal potatoes, and I'm gonna have some too. But I'm gonna put some olive oil on, and then I'm also gonna put a bit on here so it doesn't stick. And then I'm going to put my usual spices. So I've got a big pinch of mixed herbs, and then also a nice pinch of mint. It's gonna go on there. And then I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on too. Got some peas and carrots in here, which I've put some water in, and then I'm going to put them in the microwave for about 3 or 4 minutes, and that is going to steam them nicely so that they're nice and soft when they go in the oven, because otherwise they won't cook quick enough. With these ones I'm about to add some olive oil, salt, pepper, all that kind of thing, and then they're going to go in the oven too. So that is my dinner. It was so delicious. I actually had some tasty gravy with it as well. Then the last thing I had in the night is a cup of tea. I didn't have a naughty treat tonight. But yeah, that is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and let me know if you want more videos like this, because I will do some more if you like. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!